Yes, we will start with DSP lab. Aditi, other students will join the lab. Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so other students will join. All are having back.
No, ma'am.
Then, do you know the status of others?
No idea, ma'am.
Okay, so no problem. We will upload the video. So we will start with the third experiment. And the screen is not visible na, right now to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to start with the linear convolution. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and in theory, in second year, third year, you know very well what is the role of linear convolution. What do we mean by convolution? Convolution is a process to multiply the two signals in time domain, and in frequency domain the two signals can be multiplied directly, but in time domain we have to convolve the two signals by performing some special operation within that. So here we will perform linear convolution. There are two types of convolution, linear and circular. So convolution is a formal mathematical operation just like multiplication, addition and integration. Addition takes two numbers and produces a third number, while convolution takes two signals and produces a third signal. Convolution is used in mathematics in many fields. We have seen in linear system, convolution is used to define the relationship between three signals of interest: the input, the impulse response and the output signal. What we do, we multiply the two signals and we get the third signal, which will tell you the output response. It is defined as the or any other way also it can work. If we know the impulse signal output, we can find out the input signal also. It is defined as the integral of the product of the two function after one is reversed and shifted. Do you know the steps of convolution? Yes, students. और किसने ज्वाइन किया क्या और प्रोसेस पता है लीनियर कन्वोल्यूशन का? राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. The steps we perform, convolution can be done in two ways: mathematical or graphical. Graphical steps are different. So have you performed convolution? Is it audible, Aditi? Okay, mathematical is not. Okay, graphical process is not known to you. We will just draw the impulse response of the signal. We will reverse the signal. X of n को हम x of k define करते हैं. h of k को हम h of minus k define करते हैं. तो we reverse the signal. Then we start shifting. h of n minus k से x of k को multiply करोगे तो you will get convolution result. Okay, x of k into h of n minus k, summation. This is the formula of your convolution. See, this is the formula of convolution shown on the screen. Y of n is equal to xn. Convolution symbol is star h of n, which is equal to summation k is equal to minus infinity to infinity, and x of k h of n minus k. Here we are discussing discrete time signals, not the continuous time signal. Continuous time signal का formula ये है, where the input signals are in time domain. Here the signals are in discrete domain. Okay, so this we want to perform. So what we are doing, x of k original signal, h of k जो मेरे पास है उसको मैं सबसे पहले रिवर्स करूंगी, h of minus k फाइंड करूंगी. ठीक है, h of minus k फाइंड करने के बाद what I will do, I will shift that signal. After shifting that signal, that impulse response, what I will do, after first shifting, I will multiply x of k into h of k. ठीक है, so first variation is for n. जैसे जैसे n वेरी होगा, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, I will get this shifting and I will multiply x of k with h of k. Okay, as n is equal to 0, तो वैल्यू क्या आएगी मेरी x of k into h of minus k. As n is 1, I will get x of k into h of 1 minus k. These signals I will get continuously till n varies. After that, what I will do, I will check the outer summation sign, this summation sign. Now I will vary the value of k. K will vary from minus infinity to infinity, or its unit step signal, it will vary from k is equal to 0 to infinity. So it depends on your numerical. So k is equal to 0, I will assume. So x of 0 into h of minus k. When k is 1, x of 1 into h of, if n is 0, it will be h of minus 1. For n is equal to 0, this will vary till k minus infinity to infinity. Then this n is changed to 1. Again this sequence will change from 0 to infinity. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से सारी वैल्यू add होगी, पहले multiply होगी, then you will add as summation sign is there. So many steps we have to follow to perform linear convolution. Is it clear? We all know the process, mathematical, and we should know the graphical process also. For simple signals, it's very easy to draw graphical. Graphical representation also gives you a very good idea about what is the convolution process. So x of an input signal, h of an impulse response, and y of an output signal. So this numerical is, I am having x, the input signal value as 2121. You can take any of the signal, I don't have any problem. In the your file also, while performing on MATLAB also, you can use any symbol, any signal, but you should know the result of convolution. So what you have to do, you have to perform manual calculations, find out the result, and then write your program, perform that program on MATLAB, and then add this thing on your MATLAB window and perform this program and check the result. So you have to check the result mathematically on MATLAB software and theoretical on the process which you know. So both verification is to be done for this program. Whatever signals you are taking, these signals or any signal from the book, but perform the convolution in your file. That mathematical or graphical, any process you can follow from the book. So then this experiment will get completed. So please inform all the students for convolution. You have to perform this convolution. जैसे तुम एग्जाम में लिखते हो, अपने कॉपीज़ में लिखते हो, उस तरीके से परफॉर्म भी करना है और फिर उस प्रोग्राम को मैटलैब में लिख के फिर एग्जीक्यूट करना है. ठीक है, सो इन्फॉर्म दिस थिंग टू ऑल. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद दिस प्रोग्राम. What I will do, I will use two signals which I want to convolve. So first major step to perform convolution is to find the length of the signal. What is the length? What will the result after that convolution? Because length is important, till how many rotations it will convolve, it will multiply and it will shift. So that is very important. So for this, what we are doing, first we are writing m is equal to length x and n is equal to length h. Clear? Then y is equal to zeros I will define for this remaining length. m plus हमने convolution में formulas देखा है कि zero padding can be done if the result is not same. This is of same length, so there is no issue as such. If the length changes, x कम है, h ज़्यादा है, तो हमें कुछ process steps follow करनी पड़ेगी. So what I am doing, this is a generalized program. Y is equal to zeros, 1 comma m plus n minus 1. Okay, Aditi, tell me how the signal will be will show you the output in MATLAB. Y is equal to zeros.
मैम इसमें 7 टाइम्स 0 आया था.
हाँ, क्यों आ रहा है 7 times 0?
मैम बिकॉज m की लेंथ 4 एंड n की लेंथ 4, सो 4 मतलब 4 प्लस 8 और 8 minus 1 is 7, so 1 to 7.
Okay, so y is assigned as 7 zeros. In a row form it was assigned?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that should be there. That should be there. Okay. So then what we are doing, we are assigning h and x. With this we are doing padding of the signals. We are doing padding of the signals. Y is the output. तो output की length मैंने define कर दी है. m plus n minus 1. ठीक है। और तुम अगर ऐसे सोचो कि एक्स और एच को मैं कन्वोल्व कर रही हूँ तो आई विल गेट 4 आउटपुट्स, नो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, बिकॉज वी हैव टू यूज दिस कंसेप्ट ऑफ कन्वोल्यूशन टू फाइंड द आउटपुट। सो एच को भी हमने उतना टाइम ही पैडिंग कर दिया है और एक्स को भी मैंने पैडिंग कर दिया है। देन वॉट आई हैव टू डू, आई हैव टू अप्लाई माई लॉजिक फॉर कन्वोल्यूशन, कि कन्वोल्यूशन करने से पहले मुझे क्या क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो करनी पड़ेगी। सो अदिति, यू रोट द प्रोग्राम ना, कैन यू कॉपी दैट प्रोग्राम इन द चैट बॉक्स? कॉपी दैट
मैम को
प्रोग्राम।
हाँ मतलब 5 मिनट लगेंगे, मैं एक बार गूगल से देख लूँ, एक्चुअली मैंने लैपी में किया था इसलिए।
अच्छा, सेव नहीं किया उसको?
यस मैम।
ठीक है, जस्ट चेक दैट एंड पुट दैट ऑन द चैट बॉक्स.
यस मैम।
So see, the basic logic we have discussed over here, x of k, h of n minus k, that same logic is to be implemented over here. And how many times a loop should be rotated, that is very important. We are defining I is equal to 1 is to 1 is to m plus n minus 1. I can define for loop, if loop, जैसे मैं C में प्रोग्रामिंग करती हूँ वैसे ही मैं सारी प्रोग्रामिंग यहाँ पे कर सकती हूँ, ठीक है। So I'm starting with 1 to I'm starting the loop from 1 to 7. M plus n is 8 minus 1 is 7. So 1 till 7 my loop will work. This length is defined from this equation. So what is the length of my output? After that I'm assigning जो भी मेरा I की value है, that value I'm taking it into C. C is equal to I. Initially C was assigned as 0 as a variable. Then second loop I have assigned from 1 to n. For j is equal to 1 to 1 is to n. Then what I am doing, I am convolving the two signals. So पहले मैं convolve किसको कर रही हूँ, h और x को मैं multiply कर रही हूँ, convolution h and x plus this shifting y1 comma c. c में 1 है तो y1 comma 1 and 1 comma c, c is 1. J loop will vary from 1 to n. What is my n? N is the length of h. That means the impulse response length, that is a system response length. 1 to n. तो ये h की जितनी लेंथ है वहां तक वहां तक वेरी होगा वो. So m, this is varying, y is equal to 1 comma c. Now I will check if c is less than equal to m plus n minus 1, because I have to check. मैंने loop set कर दिया था पहला 1 से m plus n minus 1 तक. सेकेंड लूप मैंने सेट किया, पहला लूप सेट किया x के लिए, आउटपुट के लिए. दिस इज माई आउटपुट लूप. फॉर का एंड, दिस फॉर एंड इज देयर. CLC close all linear combinations into output x. ठीक है, this is the same subplot. Okay, are you performing this on your laptop? Can you share your screen and show me the result of this program? Is it possible, Aditi? The concept is same, but where is the looping? Display convolution. Okay, that's the same thing. Y I is equal to 0 for this. If possible, na, show me the result. So we will.
मैम 5 मिनट में कनेक्ट कर लूँ?
हाँ, connect कर लो. You connect your laptop. That's very good. Connect it. And Aditi, prepare your Word file also. ठीक है ना, राइट डाउन दिस प्रोग्राम. फर्स्ट टू एक्सपेरिमेंट कंप्लीट, थर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट की भी एक वर्ड फाइल बना लो. I will also write the program. Students, you can see You can directly write the program in MATLAB. You can see the program. Subplot stem we have to do. Title, X label, Y label, display of signal. I will write one more program over here. See the program which I have given you or shared the manual, which in that you have to make the basic corrections. You have to write your program, the logic is there, but how to display is not shown over here. You can get the results, but you can modify your own program also. So students, you also try writing this program. And check your results. You can share your screen also, so that we all can see your outputs. So I am copying that program. Make it systematic. CLC, clear all, close all, you have to write there. And for all closed loops, you have to end your program. So you can see in the MATLAB, it's showing. This I will close this window. No. And CLC, clear all, close all, Control C. So have you completed the program? So the logic I have explained. I will save this file. save as linear convolution experiment 3. So we have completed. Now after saving this experiment, it will be shown in this current folder window, linear convolution experiment 3. This program also I will save. This is another version of that program. See, you can have your logics, you can send me the logics, we can approve that thing and we can see the results, because different brains, different logics, you can write different programs also. Like Aditi shared something, so that's very good. But this I feel is incomplete. Okay, there is some error. Convol to experimentally lines. Okay, I will add you, just wait. Are you there, Aditi?
Yes.
I have given, okay. There is, in this program, there are some mistakes in the last lines. It's not completed. We have written the loop. एंड नहीं किया है प्रोग्राम को. So share your screen and show me that program.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. So here for if the logic is almost same, few instructions are missing here. J less than 1, y of I is equal to 0, j is equal to 1 is to n plus n minus 1. This is showing some errors. So we have to find the error. What is there? Linear convolution. Okay, I have to say it properly. Incorrect. So find the convolution result mathematically. Aditi, are you showing? Okay, one more minute, we'll wait. Okay. You can see the program. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Your screen, yes, it's visible, Aditi. So you haven't shared me the full program.
मैम मैंने जो कॉपी पेस्ट किया था वही प्रोग्राम है, मैंने इसको भी रन किया है.
हाँ, ठीक है. So you are not saving.
And
You should save your programs also, Aditi. Experiment 1, 2, 3, 4, and prepare a whole document.
मैम ये
Soft
वो
copy
ऑनलाइन था
document.
तो ये लैपी में सेव नहीं हो रहा था.
अच्छा, okay. So
यस
what
मैम,
was the
वो
result of
ट्रायल
this
किया था
program?
मैंने 1 मंथ का,
हाँ,
इसलिए मैम.
ठीक है. प्रोग्राम सेव नहीं हो बट एक वर्क डॉक्यूमेंट बना लो.
यस मैम. मैम अभी तो मैंने इसको अनटाइटल ही रहने दिया, रन तो कर दिया और सेव भी
हाँ,
कर दिया है, ये रन
ठीक
हो
है.
गया है. देन मैंने
ठीक है.
इसको इनपुट दिया है 1 2.
2, 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, this same, and we are getting the output on the screen also. Okay, so the logic is just different over here.
यस मैम. और
बाकी तो ठीक है, बाकी सब का सारा प्लॉटिंग ही है. दैट इज वेरी गुड. वी कैन
मैम इस
स्टार्ट इट.
ये जो आपने जो प्रोग्राम दिया था इसमें मैंने कुछ करेक्शन किए हैं,
हम्म.
लेकिन ये जो लूपिंग है वो बस 22 टाइम्स हो रही है.
अच्छा, तो कैसे हो सकती है 22 टाइम्स एन जबकि हमारा आ रहा है. So what is the result of this program? Show me.
यस मैम.
This is the results are same na for both the programs.
यस मैम, बट ये 22 टाइम्स रन हो गया है.
अच्छा, ओके. ये पूरा रन होते हुए दिखा रहा है और एट लास्ट इट इज शोइंग यू द आउटपुट ना.
यस मैम.
It is showing you all the intermediate steps actually to generate the result. और ये ग्राफ तो पहले वाले का है ना.
यस मैम.
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. इसमें भी तुम लोग ग्राफ प्लॉट कर सकते हो, है ना. एंड टाइप दिस प्रोग्राम इन द चैट बॉक्स में, कॉपी करके सेंड करो इसमें.
यस मैम.
एंड दिस प्रोग्राम ऑल्सो, इट्स नॉट द होल प्रोग्राम. यू हैव लास्ट से लिखना बेटा, यहाँ से फॉर हो गया है और इफ आ गया था शायद. हाँ, उसके आगे से y of 5, दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम लाइन 25th आई थिंक. if I तक प्रोग्राम है j less than I plus 1 after this
मैम ये वाला पोर्शन रिमूव करना है.
नहीं इसमें चैट बॉक्स में सेंड करो बिकॉज इट वाज इनकम्प्लीट एक्चुअली. ये तो जो मैंने प्रोग्राम दिया था वो वाला है क्या बेटा?
नो मैम.
अच्छा ओके. Can you see my screen now?
No ma'am.
You quit the screen. I think Aditi, your screen is visible.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Stop sharing.
Yes ma'am.
So my screen is visible to you or not?
Not visible ma'am.
Not visible. Okay. Again, I have to share. Now it's visible.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. And this program, where was the error in this program? It's visible on the screen. So you got a perfect output, Aditi. So this completes your experiment. And my actually MATLAB is not working properly. It's not showing the results. So we have saw the results from the screen shared by Aditi. So that are the correct results. And we will discuss in next lab session, next experiment. So if you have any doubt, please students see this video, as very less strength is there today, and complete your third experiment of linear convolution.